In today's video, we are going to explore best Indian proverbs, quotes, and sayings. Let's get started. The three great mysteries: air to a bird, water to a fish, humankind to himself. Like the body that is made up of different limbs and organs, all moral creatures must depend on each other to exist. You sometimes forget the harm that was done to you, but never the harm you have done to others. You may look up for inspiration or look down in desperation, but do not look sideways for information. Yesterday is but a dream, tomorrow but a vision. Where the needle goes, the thread follows. When you were born, you cried, and the world rejoiced. Live your life in such a manner that when you die, the world cries and you rejoice. When you haven't asked for a friend, expect nothing but kicks. When an elephant is in trouble, even a frog will kick him. When a camel is at the foot of a mountain, only then judge his height. What was hard to bear is sweet to remember. We can't change the direction of the wind, but we can adjust the sails. We are both queens, so who will hang out the laundry? Walking slowly, even the donkey will reach Lhasa. To quarrel with a man of a good speech is better than to converse with a man who does not speak well. To control the mind is like trying to control a drunken monkey that has been bitten by a scorpion. They who give have all things, they who withhold have nothing. They who dream for too long will become like their shadow. There is nothing noble in being superior to some other man. The true nobility is in being superior to your previous self. There is no hand to catch time. The thief that is not caught is a king. The first day a guest, the second day a guest, the third day a calamity. The eyes do not see what the mind does not want. Pull someone by the ears and his head will follow. One man's house burns so that another may warm himself. Like the body that is made up of different limbs and organs, all moral creatures must depend on each other to exist. Life is not a continuum of pleasant choices, but of inevitable problems that call for strength, determination, and hard work. Life is a bridge, cross over it, but build no house on it. In a tree that you can't climb, there are always 1,000 fruits. I have lanced many boils, but none pain like my own. I had no shoes and complained until I saw a man who had no feet. He who does not climb will not fall either. Great minds discuss ideas, medium minds discuss events, and little minds discuss people. Great anger is more destructive than the sword. Don't poison someone whom you can kill with sweets. Don't bargain for fish which are still in the water. Certain things capture the eye, but pursue only those that capture the heart. Austerity is an ornament, humility is honorable. Alertness and courage are life's shields. A thief thinks everybody steals. A person who misses a chance and the monkey who misses its branch can't be saved. 100 divine epics would not suffice to describe all the marvels of the Himalaya. Please let us know your favorite quotes about these best Indian proverbs, quotes, and sayings in the comments section. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel.